Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a YouTube channel link on TradingView account. So first we're going to open the TradingView app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on the menu section on the lower right corner. Then click on your account. Then click on the pencil button found at the top right corner. So there's the YouTube link option. So once you click on it, you guys can insert your YouTube link. Then once you're done, you're going to click on save. So that's how you add it. It's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out. Since this is a very helpful trading app, make sure you guys download it and use it as well. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.